Hello students, now we are going to discuss about some problems in ionic equilibrium. So the problem number 1 is find the hydrogen ion concentration of 0.2 m acetic acid which is 4% ionized is. What he is asking? Hydrogen ion concentration he is asking. And what acid they gave? Acetic acid. We know acetic acid is a weak acid which ionizes as H plus and CH3COO minus acetate ion. So what he is asking? H plus ion concentration of acetic acid concentration is 0.2 molar. And how much ionized? Alpha value is 4%, that equals to 4 divided by 100. 0.04. 0.04 is the degree of dissociation. And he is asking H plus ion concentration after 4% ionization. So what formula we use to calculate H plus ion concentration is equals to C alpha. We know students, at initial concentration C 0 from C 1 minus alpha is converted into products C alpha. So the concentration of H plus ion is C alpha. So what is C value? 0.2 into alpha value 0.04. The answer will be 0.008. So option A is correct answer for this question. Okay students, we will try to do another problem. What is the degree of dissociation? Degree of dissociation alpha of 0.1 n acetic acid is Ka value has given. So how to do this problem? Alpha value he is asking for 0.1 normal acetic acid. We know acetic acid is a weak acid which ionizes as H plus ion and acetate ion. And what is the concentration of acetic acid here? 0.1 n. And Ka value also given. 1 into 10 power minus 5. And we know at initial concentration there is no formation of products. After some time or at equilibrium, from C 1 minus alpha is converted into products C alpha. And he is asking degree of dissociation. What is the formula for degree of dissociation? So we know Ka value equals to H plus ion concentration into acetate ion concentration divided by acetic acid concentration. C alpha into C alpha divided by C into 1 minus alpha. Ka is equals to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. 1 minus alpha is neglected for weak acids, then Ka is equals to C alpha square. From here alpha can be calculated as root Ka by C. And we will substitute here alpha he is asking. Alpha is equals to what students? Root over Ka by C. What is Ka value? 10 power minus 5. 1 into 10 power minus 5 divided by 0.1, that equals to 10 power minus 1. So here when it comes to numerator, 10 power minus 5 into 10 power 1, that equals to root over 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 2 is correct answer. Square root of 10 power minus 4 is equals to 10 power minus 2 answer. So option D is correct answer for this question. Okay, next problem is 0.05 molar monobasic acid has a pH of 5. So here two things has given. One is concentration. How much? 0.005. It also written as 10 power 5 into 10 power minus 3 molar. And its pH is how much? pH is 5. From pH value we can write the H plus ion concentration, that equals to 10 power minus 5. H plus ion concentration is 10 power minus 5. And what he is asking? Degree of dissociation of acid. Alpha he is asking. So alpha he is asking. We know H plus ion concentration equals to C into alpha. So he is asking alpha. Now H plus ion concentration divided by C. What is H plus ion concentration here? 10 power minus 5 divided by, what is concentration? 5 into 10 power minus 3. For our convenience, we can write 1 into 10 power minus 5 divided by 5 into 10 power minus 3. Now alpha is equals to 1 by 5. That means 0.2 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3 get cancelled. 10 power minus 2 is there. And we can also written it as 2 into 10 power minus, if we write in 2 into 10 power minus 3. We can also calculate the alpha percent of ionization or percent of dissociation. Alpha percent equals to alpha into 100. So what is alpha here? Alpha is 2 into 10 power minus 3 into 100, 10 square. So 2 into 10 power minus 1 is the result. 2 into 10 power minus 1, 2 by 10, that equals to 0.2. 0.2 is the percent of degree of dissociation. Percent of degree of dissociation is 0.2. Now the answer is B. Okay. So this is the problem. So these three are the different models of problems from ionic equilibrium. Thank you, students. Practice well. Try to understand the problem and try to solve the problem using the appropriate equations. Thank you.